Namaste everyone. I am Dr. Nilesh Armate, a lifelong learner, a legal scholar, and like many of you, someone who wants to understand how the law actually works in real life. Today I am talking about something very serious and honestly very scary. That is the digital arrest. If you have been reading the news lately, you must have noticed stories like 72-year Pune woman loses around 1.4 crore after being digitally arrested on a video call. A Bengaluru techie held on a video call for 5 hours, threatened with arrest. Delhi police warns citizens about scammers pretending to be CBI officers on WhatsApp. It's everywhere. And this is not some small time scam. This is becoming a national level fraud epidemic. So, in this video, I am going to break it down for you clearly and simply what exactly is a digital arrest, why people fall for it, real cases from recent news, the legal actions about IPC, new BNS and IT Act, how to protect yourself and your family. So let's begin. What exactly is a digital arrest? A digital arrest is when scammer force you to stay connected with them on a video call, pretending they are police officers, CBI, NCB, customs, cyber cell or any other government authority. The call usually starts with a shocking line like your Aadhaar has been misused in a financial crime or a parcel in your name contains illegal items. Their goal is simple: create fear, isolate you, and finally control you. Once you show fear, they move to the next step, that is, they call, Sir, Madam, you cannot disconnect this call. This is a surveillance call. You are now under digital arrest. Now imagine the psychological situation. You are panicking. You don't know the law in detail. You think these people are real officers and they tell you sit in front of the camera, don't move, don't talk to anyone. This forced video call confinement is what we call a digital arrest. The scammers then emotionally break the person and slowly convince them to transfer money to verify funds, secure your account, or prove your innocence. The entire thing is fake, but the fear feels real. How the scam actually works? Let me explain the psychology behind this scam. It starts with step number 1. You get a call saying your Aadhaar is linked to a crime or a parcel in your name had illegal items. This shocks people. Then step number 2 comes. They transfer you to a video call. Then step number 3, that is, they show fake ID cards, badges, office backgrounds and make the call look official. Then step number 4 arises. They keep you on camera continuously. They tell you to not to talk with anyone. This isolation increases your fear. Then next step comes, that is step number 5. They say transfer money to prove you are innocent. We need to verify your funds. Your bank account is under suspicion. And finally, step number 6 comes. Once the money is transferred, the call ends and the number is unreachable forever. So, we're going to see few real cases from recent news. These scams are happening almost every day. Just look at these recent cases. Case number 1 was from Pune. A 72-year-old woman was kept on video call for almost 30 hours. She was told that her Aadhaar was used in a money laundering case. Under fear, she transferred around 1.4 crore rupees to accounts provided by the scammers. Second case was from Bangalore. A young tech professional got a call saying a parcel in his name had drugs. He was kept on video call for 5 hours and threatened with arrest if he moved away from the camera. Few incidences from Delhi. Several people reported that scammers showed fake badges labeled CBI cybercrime unit on WhatsApp calls. These are not random incidences. This is a well-organized cybercrime network, mostly operating from outside India, but targeting Indians on a massive scale. And the sad part is, many victims don't even tell anyone out of shame. So, the legal sections that apply to this particular fraud we're going to discuss in detail. Now, let's break down the law part in simple language. I'll explain this under old law, that is IPC, Indian Penal Code, then new law, that is BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and Information Technology Act 2000. So, under old law IPC before 2024, Section 420 deals with cheating and dishonestly inducing delivery of property, meaning tricking someone into sending money in is a cheating. This is the most common section used. Then personation, pretending to be an officer, under section 416, 419, meaning when someone pretends to be an officer, that is police or CBI officer or government authority. Then section 383, extortion, 384, punishment for the extortion, section 305, 506 for criminal intimidation, the meaning threatening arrest, jail, CBI inquiry to extract money. Also, there is a section, that is IPC 340, wrongful confinement and punishment for it under IPC 342. Even though the confinement is digital, court has accepted that forcing someone to stay on a video call with threats amounts to wrongful restraint. Now we are going to move to the new law regime, that is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS 2023. This is the law that replaced the IPC in 2024. Under this, BNS 318, that is for cheating, BNS 320, that is cheating by personation. The meaning, if someone tricks you into sending money, these sections apply. Then BNS section 179, that is impersonating a public servant. This is a very powerful section. Anyone pretending to be a police or CBI faces strict punishment. Then section 303, extortion, 304, aggravated extortion. If someone threatens to arrest you or uses fear of police action to demand money, this applies instantaneously. Then BNS section 351 also been talking about criminal intimidation. Threats over video call counts as criminal intimidation. Then BNS section 3138 is wrongful confinement, just like IPC 340 but updated. There is also a section organized cybercrime. BNS section 109 is going to be taken into consideration. Then next is Information Technology Act 2000. This is the backbone of cybercrime prosecution. Section 66D, impersonation using computer or communication devices. This is the main section in digital arrest cases. Then section 66C, identity theft using fake government IDs, fake badges, fake certificates and backgrounds, etc. Section 66 is related to the computer related offences, any misuse of the communication devices for the purpose of fraud. Also section 43, unauthorized digital access, covers deceptive digital practices, misuse of devices, etc. So these are the law part which we talked about. Now, how to protect yourself. This is going to be most important point of discussion. First and foremost, disconnect immediately. Police, CBI, NCB, none of them investigate cases on WhatsApp or video calls. So disconnect immediately. Second, call India's cybercrime helpline 1930. This number is operated by Ministry of Home Affairs. If your call is going to be reached to them quickly, your bank can freeze the fraudulent transactions. Then file a complaint on cybercrime.gov.in. This is the official government portal for cyber crimes. Then contact your bank immediately. Under RBI's limited liability of the customers, you may get your money back if you report fast. Then collect all the evidences, take screenshots, record calls, save messages, bank transactions, etc. Under Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam, digital evidence is admissible in the court of law. So, what police will never do? Police or CBI will never investigate via WhatsApp, ask you to sit on video call, demand money for verification, threaten arrest on phone, tell you to keep the call secret. If someone does this, it is a scam. Absolutely 100%. So, this scam works because people panic. And scammers know that if they can hold you in a fear for even 10 minutes, they can control your decisions. But once you know the law and understand the pattern, you cannot be fooled. Please share this video with your parents, neighbors, senior citizens, and friends. Older people are the biggest targets, and a simple awareness message can save someone lakhs of rupees. If you want more such law related videos, simple explanation of BNS, IPC, etc., daily legal updates, or case breakdowns, please subscribe. Take care, stay alert, and don't fall for digital trap. Thank you.